Alright guys, we just completed this Lamborghini Urus. This is Gen 1 Urus, not the Performante or the SE or the S. This is the beloved Gen 1 that we did maybe over 40 to 50 wide-body Uruses. So this one is really nice to see because it is in a satin silver wrap. This customer started off doing just a wrap and then wanted to wait a few months, but then couldn't resist, so decided to do the wide body. And we got him a carbon fiber 1016 Industries wide body kit, which includes the hood, which significantly makes the front more aggressive, the front lower lip, which we wrapped in satin silver to get that also more aggressive front end appearance. Obviously you got the wide body flares all around the car with the carbon fiber vents. We also added obviously the diffuser, which is a major piece of the puzzle for the rear. And to top it off, of course, the beloved RDB signature wheels. These are in 23-inch form with factory tires, so it is a little bit of a better ride than the 24s, but we also lowered it and it looks incredible. The wheels, we did a polished lip with an actually a satin silver center paint, so this is a little bit different than our usual brushed centers. This one goes a little bit more with the wrap theme. So really clean Urus for our guys over at Hellstar. We've done a bunch of cars for them and continue to do so, and this is Urus number 50 plus for us. So get ready, we have the Urus SE wide bodies coming soon, the first in the world again, so stay tuned.
Alright guys, we have this Volkswagen Tiguan. We did a complete rear brake job, including rotors, pads. That's about it. The fronts are still okay. We're gonna go on a quick test drive. Customers out front waiting. Quick brake job, couple of hours, done. Out of here. You're good, Baba. This car was, I believe, blue. This is the one that we were wrapping. So this is Cullinan. You guys know this was the blue one. This thing actually is very difficult that I'm looking at like this because it's very difficult to tell that it is not paint, it's a wrap. Impossible to tell that it's a wrap. So it looks very good actually. This is a PPF. This is PPF material, so that's why PPF looks really good. It is a little bit more costly, but it's very worth it if you're very picky and you don't want to see orange peel and all that stuff. You do PPF. This is it. Came out great. We did door jambs as well on this car. It's beautiful. You can't even tell that it's not paint. Also, we did the wheels powder coat black, as you guys can see, so everything matches. Gave it that nice little elegant style. Looks original, classy, nothing too crazy fancy, but it looks great. So, all right. So we have a chrome hearts valve stem cover. Very heavy. If you throw this on someone's head, they're gonna bleed. Very heavy. This thing probably cost $1 million. I don't know. Let's give it back to Dan so he can put it on the car, because this is they'll pay attention to this, so we gotta make sure it's back on there. All right, so car came back. Left front tire has a little leak. These things intend to do that. It's very normal, right by the valve stem area.
Talking about sensors, when you install wrong the sensors,
It makes the noise?
makes a noise. So over here you don't have the excuse that says, no, I put it wrong. For example, over here, see, this one is 43. So we have to find on this one the number 42, number 41, 43. So that's the number 43. 43 a la 1, 43 a la 2, 43 a la...
You.
Ha! We use this one, we don't know, I don't want to tell you what it is because it's copyright. So with that, it's very easy to see, no problem. And then we put this one like this.
Ready to go?
Seal. Beautiful.
Like that.
Órale, bye. Yeah, bye.
What do you guys think that looks closer to this blue? This one? This one? Why is he hitting you? This one? Or no? This one? This one? This one?
I don't think that one.
I don't think that's way off. I think this is red.
It's close.
How does that look? But this has metallic on it. This doesn't have metallic. All right, let's go find another brand. This is pretty cool. No.
Good.
It's fucking purple, bro.
No, this is good.
Oh, hey, wait. I think I have one. I think this is great. This matches right here, the leather. It's closer than what you showed me. No, actually, no. Purple's definitely closer than this, but you know what? Let's just paint it. We can just paint it. Let's just paint it. We're gonna paint it.
We have Lewis's car here. Our Lewis. What? Bodyman Lewis. What? So his car died. He needs a battery. So he sneaked in his car.
You did it.
To get a free battery.
He's not allowed. Who loves that?
Himself.
I need free.
I'm tired of your shit. So, everybody, so we have right here John installing spoiler on a Cullinan. Is this a new Cullinan? Or
Yeah.
This is a Series 2 Cullinan. So, John, what are you doing here? You gonna put this on?
Yeah.
Are you measuring it first?
First I want to measure it, mark it, everything to know everything is correct.
And are we doing double-sided tape here?
Double-side tape plus that one for the little silicone. Doesn't come out.
Okay.
Because the car is washing the pressure washer. Sometimes double tape doesn't hold
So it makes it safe for me to not wash it out.
it. Anytime you want to wash it, pressure washer, anything. Stay outside it too much. Whether it's hot, doesn't matter.
Nice. You should stop smoking cigarettes. We're here today because we're gonna wash. Hey, how are you doing that?
I'm walking with the car.
Wow.
I don't even know what's in front of me.
Yeah. We're just here to detail this car inside and out.
What car is it?
And that's it. Just gonna throw soap on it. It's a beautiful G63, you guys. We are done. We did some repairs on the body on this car. Good to go. Junior's here to detail inside, outside of this car. Customers coming to pick it up. This is probably like the 100th G-Wagon, huh? Yeah, already beat us. Alright guys, so it's been about a year with this RDB Auto Care foam cannon that I got from Vic, and he wanted me to test it out, so I did. And this thing has taken a beating. It's gone, I go through so many cars in a day, so I don't just use this on the weekends, I use this daily. And it's fully adjustable. You can choose if you want your foam to come out thick or watery. It has an angle, so you can choose if you want a wide spread foam or a less of a wide spread foam. It has a big mouth right here for the closing of the bottle. So this is good because the smaller it is, I've had the smaller ones and they break, or the thread on it just strips away and the bottle just falls off. And this doesn't happen with that. It comes with a filter in it also too, so that filter in it also prevents from trash going in and clogging up the top filter, which makes the foam not come out as good. So it's been pretty durable, I gotta say, and for a year it's been good. So check it out, guys. rdbautocare.com.